Let's go to the canteen. No, I don't want to go there. Why? You don't have money? Hey, don't underestimate me like that. I can buy anything I want because I have a lot of money. So, what's the problem? I love my wallet at home. Oh, I just the same. You don't have money? I have a lot of money, but I don't bring it to school. Just go, and I will pay the food for you. Okay, tomorrow I will return it back. No worries, we are fine. Thank you, Zikina. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.